Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the date function in Excel and how it can help you create dates dynamically. Step 1. Enter year, month, and day. First, in separate cells, type the year, month, and day. For example, in cell A1 type 1967 for the year, in B1 type 12 for the month, and in C1 type 13 for the day. Step 2. Use the date function. Now in the next cell, we will write the date function. Start with an equal sign, type date, then select the 3 cells for year, month, and day. Press enter and Excel will return the complete date based on the values you selected. This is really useful because it combines separate year, month, and day values into a single date that Excel can recognize for calculations. Step 3. Formatting the date. By default, Excel will format the result as a date, but you can change the format if you like. Go to the Home tab, find the number group, and choose Short Date or Long Date. For example, Short Date might show as 12/13/1967, and Long Date will show as Wednesday, December 13th, 1967. Step 4. Dynamic changes. One great feature of the date function is that it updates automatically. If you change the year, the date changes automatically. Limitations. Keep in mind that Excel does not recognize dates before 1900, so entering a year like 1857 will not work correctly. If you enter a month greater than 12, Excel will add the extra months to the year. For example, month 13 becomes January of the next year. If you enter days greater than the normal days in a month, Excel will move the extra days to the next month. For example, day 40 in December will become January 9th of the next year. And that's how you use the date function in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tips and tricks, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.